Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy for burger steak. Start by searing your burger steaks in a hot skillet. This crucial step creates a rich, browned crust and leaves behind those essential pan drippings, which are the foundation of our amazing gravy. Cook them until they're nicely browned on both sides, then set them aside. Don't clean that pan. We need all those flavorful bits for the next step. Now, let's build our roux. Add about 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan drippings and melt it down. Then, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook this mixture for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it turns a light golden color. This roux will thicken our gravy and add a wonderful nutty flavor. Next, slowly pour in about 2 cups of beef broth, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. The gravy will begin to thicken beautifully. Stir in a dash of Worcestershire sauce for an extra layer of savory depth. Finally, season your gravy with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Taste and adjust as needed. Let the gravy simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to thicken to your preferred consistency. Once it's perfect, return your seared burger steaks to the pan, coating them generously in that rich, savory gravy. This ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.